Every day our vehicles are subject to endless wear and tear, which have the ability to diminish and damage the look and resale value of your vehicle. It doesn't take long to understand the many ways your paint job can be damaged. From key scratches and handbag scrapes, dogs entering and exiting the vehicle, shoes damaging sills and doors, shopping trolleys in car parks, bushes and branches, and vandalism and bad washing techniques. The environment can also throw a lot at your car, with stone chips, bird lime and bug etching being common reasons why your paintwork can be looking anything but its best. PremiumShield has made it its mission to protect your paintwork with its world-leading paint protection film. PPF makes it easier to protect and enhance your investment. PremiumShield's patented innovative technologies have created a product that provides maximum protection for your paintwork whilst also maintaining optical invisibility. And with PremiumShield's Elite SH paint protection film, you can enjoy a lifetime of peace of mind. Going further than any other PPF, Elite SH's natural healing properties means light scratches will disappear before your eyes without the need to apply heat. Within seconds, the surface will be scratch-free and as glossy as before.